What's going on, everybody? Tina here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule Facebook Reel posts. I'm super excited about this new feature, and I know many of you too, because it has been upvoted bazillions of times on the ideas board. And also another thing you should know is that Facebook pages actually have a lot more reach than they used to have before. So you should get started and schedule your Facebook page Reels right now. Let me show you how to do it. So first you want to go over to marketing, then to social planner at the top, click on the account and make sure your Facebook page is connected. If your Facebook page is not connected yet, just simply hit add account, then select the Facebook icon right here. Then you want to continue as whoever you are, hit OK. And then it will show you all of the Facebook pages where you're an admin of, and then just simply click add. And boom, you're connected. That's how easy it is to connect your Facebook page, okay? Now head over to new post on the top right corner, click create new post, and the social scheduler shows up. Click on this drop-down menu and select your Facebook page. Then select reel at the top, then type your content. This is a demo reel. Then click on the video icon, upload your reel into the media section, click upload file. Once it's uploaded, double click on the video file and you will see a little progress bar here, still uploading the file into the scheduler. Furthermore, you can implement the follow-up comment, which I really like because in this one, you can place a link and that link will be placed into the comment section of your Reels post, which is amazing because if you place that link into the description, it will hurt your visibility and your reach. So therefore, we want to place it right down here. www.demo.com. Also further down here, you can apply a watermark if you like. You can turn it on or off. In this case, let's turn it off. We can choose the category, make money online, add some tags if we wanted to. For now, we leave it empty. Then you can see our post showing up right here. Then we're going to go to post and schedule post, select the date, select the time and hit schedule post. And cruising over to your Facebook page, this is then how it looks like. And if we click on the comment, you can see that comment has been placed right here in the comment section. Please note that this is only available for Facebook pages right now. So if you choose a Facebook group instead of a page, it will just show up as a regular post within that Facebook group feed. I hope you get started posting your Reels today, and I will see you in the next video.